about the guys. Yeah, I was also thinking that I asked maybe they could have also 5 player more from us, so maybe they could take also 10 player away from us. You know, not only 5, because yeah, it's not possible in the middle of the season that you bring the player away. It's not possible. For me, you know, I am the coach. I cannot not understand this because we have 4 important games also. We could be also in the better position in the league and you play maybe for the 4th place and 5 players are going away. This is not correct. This is the first. So it was a little bit ironic now for me because when I told you they could take also 10 players, not only 5. So nobody helped us at the moment. The last game, we had everything in our hand. Everybody remember the game in Bali with the penalty, with a lot of chances against 10 players. We could have 41 points and fighting maybe for the 4th place. Yeah, we have to be ready. We have 4 games, and of course to be safe, we have to win football games also. That we have nothing to do to look down also. And the player, they know this also. We are in this situation because of a lot of things what's happened in this season also, and today is not the right moment to speak about this. Yeah, and I think the first question was about to go to the second league, right? I always trust my player. They are there because the player they are not there, they cannot help the team tomorrow. So we have the possibility to win our home game tomorrow. We know Pesisolo is a good team, and yeah, it's good sometimes when you feel also a little bit pressure, so that the season is not finished and you play only for the golden ananas. So it's good that everybody has the right focus for the game tomorrow. I mean, it's the first time in this year that we play in front of our fans in our stadium. Hopefully good pitch, also some supporter inside. I know it's a game in the middle of the week. It's not always so easy for everybody to come also because they have to work also next day, but we need the help also from them. And yeah, everything is possible. So, but we have to be more concrete because the last game in Bali we had 5-6 big chances with the penalty also, and we couldn't finish the game. We could win also the game, and then you start with 41 points in the next game. But the reality is like this, and yeah, tomorrow we have a big chance to be very safe also.
Oke, Mas Thomas bilang ya sebenarnya kalau mau mengambil 5 pemain ya mungkin bisa lebih lagi, tapi memang itu hanya sindiran buat dari Mas Thomas saja. Tapi memang sebenarnya kalau misalkan ada 5 pemain tersebut, Mas Thomas yakin Persija bisa lebih baik lagi dalam posisi ini karena selain menghindar dari zona degradasi, sebenarnya juga Mas Thomas naik lagi posisinya dari posisi 11 ke posisinya. Dan memang kalau misalkan melihat di lawan Bali kemarin, kita dengan 5 pemain kemarin kita bisa mengendalikan permainan yang ada. Dan kita punya banyak peluang untuk penalti yang kalau sebenarnya gagal. Tapi misalkan itu kita menang juga, kita bisa mengejar posisi keempat, masih bisa ada harapan. Tapi memang kondisi sekarang seperti ini, dan yang bisa dilakukan adalah kita harus selalu menjaga aman dari zona degradasi. Dan untuk yang pertanyaan pertama, memang kita memang harus percaya dengan semua pemain yang ada sekarang, karena yang nggak ada di sini yang memang nggak bisa bantu tim Persija untuk sekarang. Dan memang kita masih punya peluang dengan squad yang terbatas. Memang kita bisa melihat Persis adalah punya squad yang bagus, tapi dan kita juga punya pressure karena kita hanya bermain dengan squad yang terbatas. Tapi Thomas yakin kita bisa melewati itu, dan kita bisa Thomas yakin bisa menangkan pertandingan. Yang hanya dibutuhkan adalah fokus yang tepat, tim lapangannya bagus juga, dan tentunya dukungan dari supporter. Memang tidak mudah untuk para supporter datang di tengah-tengah minggu untuk menonton Persija karena mungkin besoknya kerja. Tapi Coach Mas bilang bahwa kita memang sangat membutuhkan support dari mereka. Dan mungkin evaluasi yang harus diambil dari laga Bali kemarin adalah kita harus lebih tegas dan lebih jelas di depan, karena memang kita banyak peluang tapi kita tidak bisa memanfaatkannya. Jadi memang realitinya kita di posisi ini karena kita memang kurang baik di lini depan seperti itu.